Let's see the payment flow in the platform. So we will discuss about the two type of revenue streams. One is going to be the subscription in the platform, and the other one is going to be the token earnings or tokens. So when the model can earn through two things. One is through the users who are subscribing to her, where she can see here USD earning report. So this is the monetary earnings that the model makes out of subscribed users. Suppose if the user is trying to unlock a content, so the content will be subscribed to unlock in that case, and the user can subscribe to models. So for monthly, so it's going to be free for a couple of days, followed by the monthly subscription, or the model can, the user can also go with the early subscriptions with the models. So you can see here that this user has subscribed to five models, and the expiry date, and what is the next recurring date, and what is the type of subscription, which is monthly or early, etc. So the earnings earned by the model through subscription will be here. So her total earnings, out of that the admin commission and the remaining earnings through subscription that the model has earned is $19.18. So for this, this is managed by her Stripe account. So she cannot request her subscription earned payout to the admin from the platform. So what will happen is there is Stripe Connect configured for the model's profile, that is banking to earn. So this model is connected with the Stripe account. So when the user is trying to pay a model by subscribing uh, to a particular model. So say he's going to pay $9.99 for a monthly thing. That $9.99 will be sent to the model via Stripe Connect. So it will be like this will be $9.99 minus the admin commission will be automatically sent to the model directly. So the model cannot request for payout from the platform. So what she can do to manage her payouts is she can actually go to her Stripe. So she can log in here, and then she can look for the payouts, whatever she has earned from here. These are her recent payouts. So she can log into her Stripe account like this, and then the balances will be displayed here. The payouts in the payouts page. These are the things that these are the payouts that will be listed for the model in her Stripe account. So what she can do is she can actually go to this place, and she can configure her payouts. So she wants her payout to be reached to her bank account every day, or it can be a weekly or a monthly one. So she can configure a payout schedule here. So whatever the user is paying to her via subscription, and minus the admin commission, will be sent to this model directly via Stripe Connect, which the model has configured Stripe Connect, and her payout schedule can be managed under her Stripe settings from here. So this is how the model can actually manage her subscription payments or earnings, and then how the payout is handled this way. So coming to the payouts earned through tokens, the models can request payout. So earnings, one is subscription, which we saw now, and the other one is the token earnings. So these are the token earnings that the user purchases a product or tips or gallery. So the user basically purchases the token packages from the admin, and then with that token packages, so he purchases the token packages with the credit card. So he uses Stripe card there, and he purchases the token packages from here. And then if he has if he can apply coupon code, and then he can confirm the purchase. So it says 250 tokens, so for $25. Suppose he purchases this token, it will 250 tokens will be credited to him. So so this way he can use these tokens to unlock any pay-per-view content or purchasing product or tipping a particular model. For all the token transactions in the platform, he can use the tokens that he has purchased through the token packages. So the model will keep earning as well. The token packages earned through product tip, gallery, post, etc. So there will be some percentage of admin commission, and the balance that she has earned, she can request a payout. So she can request a payout only for token earnings in the platform, where the conversion rate of tokens to dollars can be set by the admin from the backend. So in the site settings, so you can see the token conversion rate here. So zero point 0.1 means $1 is equal to 10 tokens. So the price, the conversion rate can be set by the site owner here. So based on that, the actual amount of token earnings. So now 144 tokens. For this, the relative dollar amount the admin can pay to her when she requests. So she can choose the method of payment, if it's Stripe or PayPal. So in order to request through PayPal, she needs to make sure she has her PayPal settings enabled from here. So she gives the PayPal email ID through which she is going to request the payment, and or she can request through the Stripe. So she has already configured Stripe. So she can make a payout, and then she can request the amount of tokens that she needs, and she can leave a note to admin and request payout through Stripe or PayPal. So 10 tokens for this, the actual conversion rate in dollars, the admin or the site owner can actually pay out from here. And then once see, you can see these are the pending transactions. So there will be a conversion rate for that particular tokens requested, and then the admin can actually transfer the particular dollar amount of the platform through Stripe or PayPal, and then mark it done to approve the payout request. So this way the payout request and the earnings of the models are managed by the admin.